Avata 3 is no longer the obvious next release, forcing pilots and creators to question whether DJI is deliberately holding it back in favor of something far more ambitious and market-shifting. Over recent weeks, a surge of online discussions, insider chatter, leaked specifications, patent filings, and ambiguous test footage has reignited massive interest in the future of DJI FPV drones, with much of the attention centered on Avata 3 rumors that point toward major advancements in camera technology, flight performance, digital transmission, battery efficiency, and cinematic capability, while also suggesting that DJI could be quietly preparing an entirely different FPV platform that may arrive first and redefine immersive aerial flight. According to multiple leak sources circulating across the FPV community, the Avata 3 is expected to push well beyond the limitations of early adopted FPV drones by adopting a larger 1-inch CMOS image sensor, a change that would dramatically enhance low-light performance, nighttime FPV recording, dynamic range, color depth, and shadow recovery, making it a far more powerful tool for content creators, filmmakers, vloggers, and YouTubers who want cinematic FPV footage without the complexity of building and tuning a custom FPV quad. If this sensor upgrade becomes reality, it could represent one of the most significant camera improvements ever introduced in a ready-to-fly FPV drone, effectively narrowing the long-standing gap between traditional stabilized camera drones and high-speed immersive FPV systems. Video performance is also rumored to see a substantial leap forward, with speculation pointing toward true 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second, opening the door to ultra-smooth slow-motion FPV sequences, high-energy chase scenes, dramatic action shots, and fluid cinematic movements that previously required mounting external action cameras, and when combined with DJI's latest electronic image stabilization, horizon leveling, and gyro-based correction technologies, the Avata 3 could become one of the most compelling cinematic FPV drones available for creators who value reliability, simplicity, and professional-grade results. From a design perspective, leaks suggest DJI may retain the signature ducted propeller body that made the Avata series safer, quieter, and more approachable for beginners, but with subtle aerodynamic refinements, improved cooling pathways, stronger frame materials, and a possible shift from 3-blade to 4-blade propellers, a change that could significantly improve thrust efficiency, mid-air stability, braking response, and precision control during aggressive maneuvers, tight indoor flights, or complex cinematic lines. Flight performance rumors indicate that DJI is aiming higher than ever, with improvements in motor efficiency, power delivery, ESC tuning, and battery chemistry that could extend real-world flight times beyond current expectations, potentially approaching or exceeding the 25-minute mark depending on flying style, while manual mode top speeds could climb well past 140 km per hour, transforming the Avata 3 from a purely cinematic platform into a genuinely fast FPV machine capable of freestyle flying, high-speed passes, and adrenaline-driven performance. Transmission technology appears to be another major focus, as leaks point toward an upgraded O3 Plus or next-generation DJI digital FPV system offering higher bitrate live video, reduced latency, improved signal stability, stronger penetration in urban environments, and clearer visuals over longer distances, all of which would dramatically improve pilot confidence during fast-paced flights and complex freestyle sessions. These transmission upgrades would likely be paired with refreshed FPV goggles and controllers featuring higher resolution displays, smoother refresh rates, enhanced head tracking capabilities, better ergonomics, and refined user interfaces, while still maintaining backward compatibility where possible to protect existing users' investments in DJI FPV gear. However, perhaps the most intriguing aspect of all these rumors is the growing speculation that some leaked footage initially believed to be Avata 3 test material may actually belong to an entirely different DJI FPV project, possibly a 360-degree FPV hybrid drone designed to merge immersive capture with traditional FPV flight dynamics, positioning DJI to compete directly with emerging 360 camera drone concepts and pushing immersive aerial content into a new creative dimension. If this theory proves accurate, DJI may be deliberately spacing out its releases, launching a groundbreaking Avata-style 360 FPV drone first while delaying the Avata 3 to ensure it delivers a clearly differentiated and meaningful upgrade when it eventually arrives. Regarding the release timeline, current speculation suggests the Avata the 3rd of May not debut until early 2026, largely due to DJI's apparent focus on refining multiple drone categories simultaneously. But there is little evidence to suggest the project has been cancelled, only postponed as part of a broader long-term strategy. In the bigger picture, the Avata 3 appears to be shaping up as a refined evolution rather than a radical reinvention, promising improved camera quality, faster speeds, greater stability, smarter transmission, longer flight times, and smoother cinematic output while preserving the beginner-friendly DNA that made the Avata series so popular among new FPV pilots and experienced creators alike. If you're currently debating whether to buy an FPV drone, upgrade from an older Avata model, or wait for DJI's next major launch, closely monitoring Avata 3 leaks, FPV drone rumors, and DJI's evolving release strategy could help you make a smarter purchasing decision, because when the Avata 3 finally arrives, it may redefine what a compact, ready-to-fly FPV drone is truly capable of delivering.